Hello.
Hi, hello.
Okay, this is what I've been looking forward to. So who have we got here?
I'm Pam, and this is my dog, Oscar.
Okay, how old is he?
He is 3 years old.
He's adorable.
Yeah, thank you. I love him. He is adorable.
And Pam, how old are you?
I am 59 years old.
You look good. Okay, and tell me why you've entered the show this year.
Because Oscar has a very unique talent. He can sing.
What?
When I play the piano, he can sing.
Are you winding me up?
No, I'm telling you, he can sing. He can hold a note. He can even do a vibrato and everything. Yeah,
what?
Yeah, he can.
Wow. And where did he learn how to sing?
He started singing about 1.5 years ago in my living room when I was playing the piano. And so then I worked with him, and now he really sings.
So does he write his own lyrics or what?
You know what? He doesn't write them yet, but I have a feeling that he might.
I don't want to expect too much, but yeah, I'm not kidding. I've done this show a long time, and I always said if we could find a dog that could sing, that would be everything to me. Good luck.
All right, thank you. All right, Oscar, let's get ready here.
He's on key.
Can I just say something? Thank you so much for watching. You want to see more? Click below. Just saying.